One's gonna sit over here. Maybe I should just build myself a fort. Yeah, it feels right. I'm gonna build a fort. Oh yeah. Towel. This thing, I don't even know what the heck it is. And this thing too. I'm gonna just sit right here and do that actually. I'm ham sandwich. I'm bomb sandwich. Just it actually worked, guys. This looks comfortable though. Put it on. You should go fire now. Rah! What was that? That's probably nothing. Rah! Rah! Rash, psst. Raichu! Raichu. Raichu. Raichu, bitch. I killed the Sprite. It's mine. Hey, I want to go on my touch there now. That's weak. So I got protection. And now, there goes. And now, three birds in. Well, here are the four birds, and four back here, and bird back here, and four birds. Raichu. That's one thing that no one even knows what it is. Raichu. What animal is Raichu? Oh, we still don't wait. Raichu. Still don't know what it is. Raichu. By the way, this is a database maker, so yeah. Raichu! Raichu! Raichu. Did he have to do it? What the heck? You can clean up Raichu. Raichu. Raichu.